What is the purpose of life? Meaning actually that which the criteria is that it is for everlasting, it stays with you. But if you now think the things which we have made our purpose of life, will these things stay? Will they go in our grave with us into the next world? For example, my car, my money, my finances, my clothing, my wife, my children. Will anyone know? What will go in the grave? Amal, the good deeds. So that's the actual purpose you should be clinging to. That for me, the real actually asset is what is going to remain with me there on the Day of Judgment, and this is your true profit which you have earned. All other things, what are the all other things? They are part and parcel of the test, meaning how you react. It's through different interaction. You've been given parents to see how you act as a son or daughter. You've given children how you act as a parent. You made a brother, how you act out as a brother. You have friends, how you actually deal with friends. You have enemies, how you deal with your enemy. You'll be given money, how you utilize your money. Sometimes you're given power, political power, social power, a good voice, beautiful body. How do you use it? There's no meaning what good have you done if Allah has given you some beautiful body, or actually a beautiful sweet voice, or some other skill, a memory. These are the gifts which Allah 𝐴𝐻𝐽 gave, and that how you act. And they are given for a limited time. Even we don't have to even die, even before death. When someone is 90, 100 years old, you can see where their beauty have gone, where their memory have gone. They can't even remember the meal they have eaten, actually, last meal what they have eaten, or what they have gone to the toilet or not. They can't. They started with nappies, ended with nappies, and they started from ground, ended in ground. So you see all these things, and the middle are part and parcel of just to see your response. They are not given to you as actually forever to be with us. But if you think they are forever and you're going, this is your delusion, because you will be disappointed.